Hello, everyone. This is Nico from W52 International Sales Department. Today, I will introduce our W52 milling machine, which is designed and developed by W52 independently. W52's full name is 5-axis wet and dry milling machine. Why the dental laboratory needs such a kind of milling machine? In recent years, the dental industry is gradually moving towards digital process. Not only the purchase cost is very high, the classification of the specific dental materials is also very complicated. So the library owners need to equip specific milling equipment for different dental materials that will cost a lot. On the market, one specific dental milling machine costs about 50,000 US dollars. But W52, which can satisfy your mental material milling, costs only 1/3 of that. So if you have such a kind of demand, you can consider it our W52. Do you have such a requirement in your library? Our our W52 is an entry-level dental milling machine, and we regard it as a multi-purpose milling machine. It supports dry and wet milling. Wet milling like to mill mental materials, titanium discs, premium abutment blacks, and glass ceramic, and for wet and for dry milling, it can mill the cornea. Okay. Also, it's supported to dry and wet. The mainly function is to wet mill. So when you are going to mill the cornea disc, you need to manually switch it to dry milling. If you have such a need to mill multi different materials, our W52 will be a very good choice for you. Okay. This is a general fundamental introduce of our W52. Now we have one W52 machine on set. Let's have a look together with me. The high grade overall white appearance part is our W52 milling machine. The body of its body is a one-piece cast aluminum structure, equipped with a working door. This is a working door. It's glass materials. It's transparent glass materials, so the operators can check the milling process easily from it. There are a drawer. This upper drawer can store common accessories for daily use, and this is the bottom cabinet. The bottom cabinet The bottom cabinet is integrated with water cooler and coolant tanks. I will show you. This is Gradle water cooler, and this too is coolant water tanks. Our W52's design, the equipment and the bottom cabinet weighs about 230 kilogram. It's very heavy, but don't worry. The bottom cabinet is equipped with wheels so the operators can move it easily. Okay, and the total design of the appearance is very friendly use and very useful design. The appearance of it support OEM when the quantity is met. Okay, so we finished with the appearance of the W52. The next point I want to show you the milling griddle. The milling griddle. As we all know, the milling griddle is the core part of a milling machine. It's just like the engine of a car. If the running power if the running power of the milling machine is exceeded, our running in overall working state for a long time, the toe life of the spindle will be affected. Not whether the damage of the machine or the bad effect for the dental materials will cause you a great loss. So we equipped every W52 with a 2.5 kilowatt 2.5 kilowatt 62 millimeter spindle with water coating Please have a see in the PPT. Yes. As a core part of the milling machine, high power and large diameter can make it can handle the hard metal materials. So this kind of big handle can ensure the working effect of the dental materials and improve the working efficiency to ensure a stable working state, save some management cost. Okay, this is for milling spindle. The next feature I want to show you is the automatic toe changing function. And automatic, as we all know, the milling toes are consumable materials. And our W52 can mill different very different materials like zirconia, zirconia, glass ceramic, and metal materials. So it needs many kinds of toes. So equipped 18 toes to satisfy its function. Such number of 18 toes need a great work to management and handle. Therefore it needs a function. Therefore it needs a function to automatic changer. This will greatly reduce the labor cost and time cost. To equip with the 18 tools, we also equipped with Shield, a tool library to store these tools, which is also very useful. Do you have after my explanation? After my explanation, do you have? Are you curious about the automatic function? How it work? How it work? In the real processing in the lab, wet milling will produce a dirty liquid, and dry milling will produce very small fly powders, which will damage the tools and some important accessories once these dirty things come into the tool library. So we equipped also with a shield to protect the tools. When the machine working, the shield will keep closed, and when the time to change the tools, the shield will automatically open. It's an intelligent design. So these two design, the shield and the automatic tool changing, will greatly improve the production efficiency, reduce the labor work, and to improve the capacity. Okay. We have a video for you for your better understanding. I'll show you a video for this function. Okay, please. Okay, we finished with the automatic changing tools function and the shield. The next point, I will introduce our holders. For W52, we equipped with the C-claim. The C-claim holder. This kind of half-open black holder can match with large angle of equipment to realize 19-degree. At the same time in the standard shipping list, we also match each W52 with glass ceramic holder and a premium abutment holder. These two, both two clamps can hold up to 6 pieces of materials. After the receiving of the equipment, the operators can easily handle different kind of materials. This will greatly save the secondary procurement cost save time. Okay. Okay, this is our pre-meal abutment holder. In the real shipment, we will send a circle clamps like this, and it can hold up to six pre-meal blanks. Okay, thank you. So this will reduce the procurement cost, improve the production efficiency and procurement cost. Okay. Then I will show you our water tanks. Many manufacturers on the market equip only one water tank, so it's troublesome to change the coolant. When you need to every time we change the coolant, we need to shut down the machine. And when the replacement of the different coolant, it needs even thoroughly cleaned before use. That will cost very much labor, invisible cost of labor and time. Not so with W52. We match every W52 with 2 water tanks. I will show you. Okay. Let's see. This 2 is the coolant water tanks. This one is for pre-meal fermental materials coolant tank, and this is glass ceramic tank. Okay. Do you have such a problems in your oven library? You can choose our W52 to solve these problems, and it's easier to operate. When you want to change the coolant, you just manually switch the coolant tanks. Okay, and then I will show. This is some features about the W52. There are also 2 intelligent functions. I will send you. I will explain you in the next time. That is automatic. Automatic calibration function and toe left hand calibration function. Okay, let's begin the toe left hand. As we all know, the milling tool is consumable materials of the milling machines. If not regular inspection and replacement, it may affect the milling. It may affect the milling effect of the dental materials. This will lead to a loss of dental materials, a loss of customers. That means a loss of wealth for you. So we set up this kind of automatic. So we set up this intelligent management system. We have set estimated number of toe left time in advance for the milling machine according to the recorded lifetime and the actual working hours. The system will not use to replace the toes. This will avoid the toe left time cannot be monitored while and can save many labor costs and to avoid a loss of dental materials, also a loss of customers. Okay, please see our PPT. The upper one. After W52 is equipped. After using a period of time, it's very necessary to calibrate the spindle for a better accuracy. If not a very well accuracy, it will affect the effect of dental milling, dental materials. But the operators may forget our according to their own judgment that will affect the final denture effect. If it performed by traditional calibration system, the operators would have to measure the dimension first and then calculate themselves, which would be very time consuming and troublesome. And not very accurate. Therefore, we designed this intelligent management system for induction. We called it induction calibration method. Okay. Let me show you PPT. Intelligent operating system. The equipment spindle is equipped with the induction calibration mode. The fixed calibration point is detected by the induction probe contact in the module so as to judge the running accuracy of the spindle, and through the intelligent system according to the program to spindle automatic parameter adjustment. The intelligent management system also sets the calibration frequency. When the equipment needs to be calibrated once, the equipment will remind the user to calibrate it. In this way, the operator will not miss calibration, ensuring that the equipment is always operating with high accuracy. This will help you to reduce management costs, improve equipment operation time, do not cause the loss of production materials due to non-calibration, create a more value for customers. Okay, this is some features of W52, including intelligent management system. We finished with the introduce. Then about our accessories. Servo model and we equip for higher accuracy and stable. We equipped with high precision ball, screw, and servo model. This is our after-sale service. In order to provide a well after-sale service, our company supports a 2-year warranty for these important accessories. In addition, we have a complete after-sale team, 5 professional after-sale engineers, more than 10 years of experience 24 hours online service for you. We provide online solution support for any problems encountered in the use of the equipment and online training. If certain conditions are met, we also support file debugging at the site.